Okay, this is a little lake. You can actually see some goldfish in there as well. So there's a bunch of goldfish right in that space. I can see their top sides. It's also a little bit of a park. So we're gonna just kind of show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna walk around this lake in this area, and then we're gonna go up here to look at this temple real quick. Show you that there's a path that goes up to the top of this big mountain right here that overlooks the airport, the Cotai Strip. But what we're gonna do is go the other way, and we're gonna go look at a temple, show you the uphill, and then we're gonna go across that way, and then we're gonna go down over to that area. And there's also some other stuff along the way too, like cemetery stuff, basic other stuff. Anyways, we'll show it all to you, so stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so I think the first thing we're gonna do is just kind of look into this beautiful little bridge right here. And this bridge kind of goes down through like a little bit of a waterfall thing. So yeah, so actually I think that's fresh from the mountain. So the springs come down and they go all the way down and they fill into this lake, and then you can also see all these goldfish right down in here. There's a lot of them actually. There's probably turtles as well, and I think you might even be able to hike into that trail a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna walk down this a little bit. Yeah, you may have these. I wonder why they have the red and white on those. During COVID, they put X's on them so that people wouldn't sit next to each other when they're in public, outside with the open air. Who knows why? But that was quite common that they would do that. It almost looks like leftover from that, or maybe they're painting them. It looks like they're kind of cleaning them, so maybe they put some X's because there's paint, and this guy over here is painting it. So yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. They're painting them. So yeah, I can smell the paint now. Looks like they just painted this one yellow as well. So yeah, that's what's happening. So I'm just gonna stick to our lake, and once I get up on the hill a little bit, I can put some better context to this. It's called lago, Portuguese word for lake, and then this over here is called Edifício de Lago, this giant tall building. And then over here, straight ahead, you can see some cemetery stuff. We're gonna be walking over that way in a moment. And up here, there's a bunch of hiking trails. So if you look up there, you can see some hiking trails up in here. Actually, throughout here, there's a little hiking trail right there too. And then way over there, that other orange and yellow is more cemetery stuff. And then over there is kind of university stuff. Yeah, and actually we got two kind of interesting roads right here. I'm going to highlight both of them in a moment. This particular one they both go up hills. So this one goes Ponte da Cabrita Road, Estrada, and that just climbs up that hill way up into there, so you can sort of go up in that direction right there. So we got one road here, and then there's another road that goes up here too. So this will climb up to the top here. So they'll both go up to the top, but they'll be at slightly different places. And that's called Estrada Padre Estevão Ibisu Situ. And there's some bamboo trees up that way. So that will go up that way. That's our lake right there. And I'm just going to take a look at this real quick. Guanyin. Oh, okay. I'm also trying to learn more about all the different ones. So I was looking for these ones that's like Folk, Lok, Sao, but I don't see them. They're like 3. I see Guanyin. I think is that Tudigong maybe, and then that's the one in the red is I have to trying to learn more about them. And there's some other ones right here, some little protectors, these green ones, green lions. Then we got a cemetery right here, and then this turns into a different street as well. So this is Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita Road. I was gonna go up there, but you know what? I'm just kind of at the transition of 3 different roads. Coronel Nicolau de Mesquita. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna walk down this road, and so we basically started at the lake there, but I think that that's a pretty good spot. And I did deviate a little bit. I did get sidetracked off of my original route. Cemetery de Carmo de Taipa. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna go down this road. I just try to give you an idea of what's here, because it's kind of an interesting road as well. Basically this road, the 2 roads behind me, they both go up into the mountains. There's actually a 3rd road that goes down towards the airport kind of direction, more or less. It's like a but anyways, there's actually 4 directions you can go. So 2 were up that hill, and then this one goes down the hill towards Taipa Centro. So now you can see all these tall buildings everywhere, and we also have a pharmaceutical company right here. Don't smoke near here. Avione. Yeah, kind of interesting. Oh, that bridge, that bus came by kind of quick. And actually this looks like it has a little bit of a historical building right here. So that's very industrial in the back, but that brick one looks like a different time period. Huh. You got the line of protection right here as well. Over here there used to be a bar. They tried out a bar right there, and it was kind of a cool bar. They had good music, but it never really took off. Attention, Keramar. Look for buses. Look out for buses. Does that sound right? Look out for buses. Alto para Pesao. Maybe somebody can translate that one for me. Okay, so I didn't really expect that we would be going down this particular street, but actually this street really has to connect to that lake anyways. So that's really something that I couldn't avoid, because they do go together. This is the entrance to the pharmaceutical company. There's tall buildings of Taipa. And so Taipa Centro is straight ahead. Basically Taipa proper, like the downtown is right there. And then to the left would be to the Taipa village, which is kind of more low density restaurants, bars. Like the height of the buildings is controlled. I think it's controlled. It's not that high like up here. Then this road kind of goes up. I don't think I've ever filmed this road. Thought about it. Huh. You know, I have no idea what's up there, so Probably should film it someday. I don't think much is there, but I kind of have a desire. Those buildings are really thin. I wonder if the same apartment has views to both sides. It might. This little Beco Perola, I think it just goes up to the top of the hill and then just stops right there. And this road will come to an end right up here. So you got a hotel right here. There's still our street right there. Estrada, Coronel, Nicolau de Mesquita. Okay. Let me give you a little bit of that goes down to Olympic Stadium. It's Olympic Road. Goes down to the Jockey Club as well. This one goes into the casinos, Cotai Strip. There's a little road down there, goes to Taipa Village to the left. And this one is Sun Yat-sen Avenue, which goes straight north, eventually towards Macau. And on that note, we are going to end our video. That's interesting, that big sign right there. It just basically says that it's a firecracker factory, which is kind of interesting because there's another one that's a firecracker factory museum that they just opened up quite recently. So now I kind of think that I think the main one in the back is a pharmaceutical company, but they probably started out getting access to this firecracker factory. That was probably the entrance right there. Anyways, I'll just come around and I'll end our video. So hopefully that was interesting to somebody. Let me know if it was interesting to you. We made it all the way through. Alright, let's stop right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.